نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم صدق الله العظيم ببركته الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا سيدي يا حبيب الله. Dear respected judges and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this honorable house today, in front of two intelligent pearls of wisdom and knowledge, today the topic under discussion isn't the wisdom of Numan and the story of Surab and Rustam, but the topic on which we have the privilege of speaking today, it has been woven into the strings of pearls and garlands of words. It is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability and the maintenance of the state of Medina. Mr. President, if there's a person who is a mountain of wisdom and knowledge after Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, then it is the cast of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The role of Afdal al-Bashar, Ba'ad al-Anbiya, can be estimated from the facts that he met the trials and the tribulations in the shortest term of 9 months after the departure of Holy Prophet. Even the companions who possessed great strength due to their bravery had their hearts and minds uncontrollable. Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu took over the sinking intentions by delivering a magnificent speech without any pause and delay. And that was the first draw for the stability, construction and the development of the state of Medina. His Excellency Mr. President, the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar can be estimated. The role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar is as clear as day. Finding a way to reconcile the fires of emotions, stopping the killings and making the parties agree. If not the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, then what else? Keeping the Muhammadian system orderly and giving open answers to the conspiracies made by the Jews, Christians, hypocrites and apostates, then what else is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the maintenance, development and the stability of the state of Medina? What is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar if not with all his strength and masculinity against the attackers of religious, financial and economic systems and jihad against the God deniers? Mr. President, after the Holy Prophet ﷺ demise, some of the big tribes refused to pay zakat. Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu announced war against them. But Hazrat Umar came to Hazrat Abu Bakr and said, maybe we should leave this for now and focus upon other issues. Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, Wallahi law mana'uni qalan كانوا يعودونهم إلى رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لقاتلتهم على منعه. That I will declare war against those who even refuse to pay the amount equal to a piece of rope. His Excellency, Mr. President. Secondly, a person named Muzalma Khazab claimed prophecy. Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said to all the Muslims, even those who were retired by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after the jihad, Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala said to them, you will fight against them all and kill them all. And they came back victorious after the jihad. Even the victories of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had the major role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar. And I would like to end my speech with saying that may Allah give us the wisdom and the faith as Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.